Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw trial cash on PalmPay. So first of all, you just need to visit the PalmPay website or application and go to the official PalmPay website or open the mobile application. Once you are in, just log in from the account in which you want to do this process by using your number and password. Once you do so, you just need to navigate to the cash out or withdrawal section. Look for a section or option within the app or website related to cashing out or withdrawing funds. Then select trial cash and bonus balance. If there is an option to select the source of funds, choose trial cash or similar options. Enter withdrawal amount and then enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your trial cash or bonus balance. Then choose withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. This could be a local bank linked to your PalmPay account or another payment method as well. The next thing is you just need to follow the verification steps. Depending on PalmPay policies, you may need to go through additional verification steps to confirm your identity and ensure the security of the transaction. At the end, simply confirm withdrawal, review your withdrawal details, and confirm the transaction. So that's the process of how you can withdraw trial cash on PalmPay.